our fish. We are done with the deep frying our fish. Here it is. Dipping one by one. I need to deep fry it. Okay. Oh, typical African village life. That's how we do it. Hello, good people. Good evening to you from this part of the world. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tende_Marwa. To the returning subscribers, thank you for always finding time to come watch my videos. I don't take it for granted. And also, are new here, consider to hit that subscription button, not forgetting the notification bell to alert you whenever I upload a new video. My good people, always comment, like, and even share to help me better this channel. Now people, it is raining and it has been raining here back in the village, and I am here this evening. I'm from cleaning the fish, and I wanted to prepare supper. It is around 5:30 p.m. here in the evening, and it is our time to start preparing supper. I want to prepare fish and some local veg, and I wanted to take you along, but I can see the rain. The rain doesn't want me to prosper. But I want to show you whatever I'm going to prepare. Let me turn the camera so that the fish, as you can see, this is the fish that I've already cleaned. This is the dirt it needs to go, and so I have to let it dry a bit, then deep fry it and cook. You know, it is raining, good people. It is raining, so I have to be extra careful. Let's meet in the kitchen, because today I want to cook from outside because of the heavy rains, and also it is too cold over here. Let's go to the kitchen. In our indoor kitchen, that's where I'm going to cook from. Always comment, like, and share. Keep on watching. So good people, here I am. Here is my fish that I need to fry. I'm cooking from indoor. This is from our indoor kitchen. This is my oil. I need it to heat, and I'm using a charcoal jiko that is, and I need to start dipping one by one. I need to deep fry it. Okay. Oh, typical African village life. That's how we do it, in a local way. I need to deep fry them, and there are those who will just take it without frying, and there are those who are going to take it in a soup way. So keep on watching, comment, like, and share. Some are still here and some are over here. So this is how we do it here in the village. And I need to place them in a way that they are going to heat, and let them heat. Then I will take them out and put more, and continue repeating the process. They have to sizzle. They're sizzling. I need to turn them so that they can cook well. Oops. Now I'm improvising. This sufuria, I'm using it as a saucepan. I have to turn them so that they can cook well. You see, they have to turn brown. See how they do it. They have to turn brown so that you can tell whether they have completely cooked. Keep on watching. I'll repeat the same process with these ones over here, and I will be done. Then cook some tomato because I need some with soup, and others will take them dry. That's why I need to cook them completely. They have to cook completely. I don't know how you do it. Wherever you're watching this video from, let me know. Today I'm taking you along a typical night routine here in the village, and I am preparing supper. That is fish and ugali. This one is ready. It's ready. It should be eaten. You see how it looks. This one is ready. Go to the next. Don't need to overcook them. Just need to drain the oil and put the next one. I'm going to repeat the process until I'm done. And let them cook once again. And here I have the ones that are already cooked. I think I have around 10 of them. So as I've told you, I'm going to fry a few, and some I'm going to do wet fry. So good people, this is the process. You have to repeat the process until I am done. And I will prepare. Meanwhile, the ugali is cooking. Let me show you. Let me turn the camera. You can see where I'm cooking the ugali from. Our indoor. Oops. This is our indoor fireplace. You see. So there, the ugali is cooking. That is the traditional pot over there. Oh my God. So the ugali is cooking from here. This is a pot that has some local green vegetable. While it's cooking here, I'm using the jiko to deep fry the fish. Once I'm done here, the ugali will be ready, and I'm going to serve and call it a night. I'm about to be done. This is my last one. Oh, okay, I forgot. I have one to go. It's a bit bigger, that's why I need to do it the last. This is the second last bunch. Then I can fry those who need a deep fried one. And the rest are here. The fried one are here, good people. What do you think about it? Mother. We are finally done, good people. deep frying our fish. Hebu songeni mtoke hapo. We are done with the deep frying our fish. Here it is. So I need to drain this oil, then I can make some, I don't know how to call it. I need to make some stew. No, not even stew. I've drained the oil. I need to fry some tomatoes. There are those who are not going to take the dried fish alone. There are those who prefer it with a little soup, sort of wet fry. The rest is deep fried. So I'm going to get a few of it from this deep fried and do some wet fry to make some little soup, then I can serve. Meanwhile, our ugali has already cooked. Keep on watching. I'm about to serve our supper and eat and call it a day. I need to add little water to make some. And let it cook, simmer a little bit for like 5 minutes. Then I will dip the fish. So my fish is here. Keep on watching, good people. Comment, like, and even share. Let me know where you're watching from and what do you think about tonight's meal. I'm cooking from Indo. I'm using a charcoal jiko kitchen. I was frying the fish, and I need also to do some wet fry for my niece and my nephew. I need to let it simmer a little bit, as you can see. Then I will turn it, and it will be ready. It will be ready. Meanwhile, we have the fried one over here. Now those who are going to take it fried in a fried manner, and those who prefer with a soup. Good people, I'm finally done. We have here the yummy fried. We have here the yummy and fried. This is the wet fry. I don't know how to call it. I deep fried it and also did some wet fries for some soup. We have greens here. We have the fried ones here, all over here. And this is our ugali. So I need to sit down and have a rest. Keep on watching, comment, like, and share. It is now time for supper. Some are not yet around, but I will just pick mine and they will come and eat theirs. Okay. The wet fry one, I prefer that. And a little bit of soup. This is a local veg. This is what I'm going to take, good people. Some local veg. The dried fish are there. And I get my ugali.